Good afternoon everyone, it's Saturday the 23rd of March. We're at the Rainforest, walking Rainforest in Newbury. It's our 11-year anniversary today, and so we're on our way to check into a Secret Escapes hotel down the road, not too far, about 7 miles. So we thought we would take the opportunity to come and explore this living rainforest. We're also going to Legoland on Sunday on the way home as well, because it's really nearby. We will be going later in the year, probably with my brother and my nephews as well. So stay tuned. Anyway, let's go have a look around this rainforest and see what we can find. Yeah, so guys, we've just gone through. It's actually £11.85 each for adults. I'm not sure how much children are. We'll put the price down the bottom. It is actually a year membership as well, so you pay one time and you can come unlimited throughout the year. Yeah, let's go and have a look. Yeah, so these are some giant stick insects. Lifespan 2 years. Been at the top here, look. Yes, okay, some Madagascan hissing cockroaches. I would not want to find one of those on my plate when I eat my dinner. Okay, some blue poison dart frogs here. Okay guys, so that's an armadillo. Definitely not Ross Geller dressed up this time. I must admit, I thought they were a lot bigger in real life. It's probably the size of a small dog. Yeah, I don't know if you guys know, but I've actually got a massive phobia of snakes, and when we were on our honeymoon I actually held a massive yellow snake. I'll get Lewis to pop that down at the bottom here, and that's where we were on our honeymoon in Mexico. Hi guys, so that was our afternoon down in the Rainforest.